Alright, this is a bit of an add-on video to my computer build video. If you've just put in a new hard drive or built a computer but you cannot find the hard drive, just go down into the Windows search bar, type in Control Panel, and then click on the Control Panel app or icon. That should pull up this menu here, and what you're going to do is look for System and Security. So we're going to go into the System and Security area. And then we're going to go down to another spot here called Administrative Tools. It has a few options, but the one that you're going to be looking for is the Create and Format Hard Drive Partition. So click on that and it should bring up a screen. If all of your hard drives are formatted already, all the lines are going to be blue on top like these ones are. You see at the bottom, primary partitions, and if it's black, it is what's called unallocated. So I will show you what it looks like before you do the hard drive formatting. So here it is before formatting. So if you opened up the disk management area, just click OK, and then you can see my disk 1 has got a black line. So I'm going to click on that, click New Simple Volume, hit Next again, and then I'm going to select what I want that drive to be called. In this case, it's going to be the E drive. I'm going to hit Next again, Next one more time, and then Finish. Then you wait a second, it'll format your disk, and now the hard drive is formatted and that line turned blue. And just to test it, I'm going to open up the properties of that hard drive, and you can see it's a 2 terabyte hard drive and it's ready to go. Anyway, hopefully this helps somebody out there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.